pretty much everything to some degree, all of that to a T. I looked at different programs, but then I think one of the things that helped me the most, and it's definitely, an advice that I would give anybody, is just look at it from like a customer standpoint, because that's what previously to this, I was always shopping on Amazon. Like that was my go-to. I was looking at it from a customer standpoint. Like if I'm a customer, like would I buy this? What am I looking into it? Looking at the description, looking at the reviews, looking at the photos that people are posting up. So, all of that stuff. Yes, I was looking at the numbers. I was looking how many sales it would make, but I was also looking at the Amazon listing itself. Like, how does it look? Does it attract me as a customer? And I think that helped me a lot as to finding my winning product. So it wasn't just, finding a product, put it like in my winning product and saying, oh, wow, like this product does 20,000 a month. I'm going to buy it. And just kind of everything. I think that's where people kind of tend to make those mistakes, and they don't realize that so many other things kind of play a part into it. Things kind of that people overlook is that just as much as people buy stuff, people return things. Let's say they invest a couple thousand. On their Seller Central, it's showing that they're selling that stuff. They're making, wow, I made 2,000, 3,000. But they don't really show the behind the scenes of like the returns, like how many returns they're getting. So their profits, they only end up making a couple $100 as opposed to a couple thousands. And they say, well, this doesn't work. This is a fluke. But yeah, at the end of the day, it's just understanding the consumer part of stuff, but also the seller part of stuff.
Awesome.